with rock-solid, heavy-duty bed. This machine can cut through various thick plates easily. Large format ground rail laser cutting machine. The format permits customization at will, supporting demands of different sectors. Both huge workpiece and small parts are cut as needed. Moreover, batch production is also possible. As a result, splicing steps are lessened to raise plate utilization rate. The heat-insulated hollow bed can prevent thermal deformation for long-lasting service. In this way, all cuts are done stably. High-strength welded beam, together with protective chamber, is good for personal safety. The function of beveling may be optional to make one-step forming possible, requiring no secondary finishing. Dual dust removal system can adapt to different working conditions, resulting in both high efficiency and eco-friendly effects. In addition, safety light curtain is available to detect hazardous area accurately. In case of any danger, the machine will stop instantly to eliminate potential safety hazards and enable worry-free operations. Such custom-made solution will redefine medium to thick plate cutting and meet stringent requirements of varying industries like engineering machinery, shipbuilding, steel structure, and aerospace.